Hello, in today's video we will look at and show examples of how to write tolerated length dimensions on technical drawings. The tolerated dimension indicated on the drawing using the ISO tolerance mark is written in the order nominal dimension and tolerance class, as you can see in this picture. If necessary, numerical limit deviations can be written to the tolerance class in round brackets, as you can see in this picture. Alternatively, the limit dimensions are entered as you can see here. With the help of numerical limit deviations, the tolerated dimension is written in this order: nominal dimension and marginal deviations, as you can see here. If one of the limit deviation is 0, the number 0 is written, as you can see in this picture. The proportional deviation notation is shown here. The limit dimensions are prescribed by the values of the upper and lower limit dimensions, as you can see in this figure. Limiting the size in only one direction is written using the notation min or max, as you can see here. You can see the recording of the limit deviations of the angular dimensions in this picture. Important functional dimensions on which the assembly interchangeability of parts depends are tolerated by a tolerance mark or numerical deviations attributes to the nominal dimension. So much for today's video. In a next video, we will be looking at the general tolerances on engineering drawings. So please subscribe to this channel and see you in the next time. Bye.